With murders up by roughly 16% since the start of the year, the police say more than 200 people across Jamaica are wanted for serious crimes. Deputy Police Commissioner in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, named 88 such persons today. They're wanted for crimes including murders, shootings, and rape. Andrea Chisholm has details.
112 people killed in the first 23 days of the year.
What we are seeing in Jamaica is not a normal situation.
To get things under control, the police listed 88 wanted people on Thursday. Of that number, 48 are wanted for murders and 31 for shootings. The list includes Brian Forbes, otherwise called QQ, who is wanted for a double murder in St. Anne.
This person has been very elusive. When I was here a commander, we put out a lot of effort to try and locate him, but he's still wanted, and we appeal to the public. I must also remind the members of the public that harboring a fugitive is a crime, and we intend to ensure that the letter of the law is complied with.
You may give information through Crime Stop 311, Kingfish 811, Police Emergency 119, calling 876-929-9256 or your local police station. Meanwhile, there's a view in some quarters that more Jamaicans should arm themselves and help tackle the criminals.
The reality is that if you have the proliferation of firearms, I'm not certain that will solve the problem. I'm not really certain. If we arm, as you said, everybody, if that's going to solve the problem, maybe it will complicate the problem.
At the same time, DCP Bailey wants tougher penalties for those with illegal guns. Parliament is set to make changes to the Firearms Act.
If I were to give my own position, and I've said it many, many times, that persons who possess an illegal firearm should be sent to prison for life.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.